Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our technical English class for grade 11. We are still in Unit 7, Services. This is the continuation of our lesson on reporting to clients. Reporting to clients 2. It's on page 55 of the course book. In this lesson, we have 3 main objectives. We have number 1, respond to questions after reading a letter. Number 2, match points to a diagram after reading a report on work done. And the last one, identify the structure of the past simple passive. Now let's quickly go over some of the vocabulary we learned in the previous lesson. Now, do you remember what these pictures are? Do you remember what they are? Okay, let's check. You can see these are skyscrapers. This is a parachute. This is a sprinkler. And this is a sky bridge. And here we have the beam, and the vertical one is called a column. Let's look at 2 additional words. We have client and contractor. A client is a customer or someone who receives services, and a contractor is a person or company that agrees to do work or provide goods for another person or company. Good. Now open your course books to page 55. Task 5. Read this cover letter, this letter here, and answer the questions below. These questions. Now pause the video, read through the questions and the letter, then answer the questions. Good. Let's check the answers. Number 1, who is A, the client, B, the contractor? First, who is the sender and who is the receiver? We have the receiver here, Mr. Who, and the sender is Pierre Van Eck. Now, from the letter, we can see that I am pleased to inform you that the work was completed last month. Our report is attached. This means that the sender did the work. So he is the contractor. So this means the receiver is the client, Mr. Who, and definitely the contractor is Per Van Eck, who did the work. Great. Moving on to the next question. What did the client ask the contractor to do, and when did he ask it? Okay, let's see. Thank you for your letter of 24th January authorizing us to do the above work. And the above work is safety upgrading of Who building. So he asked him to upgrade the safety of the Who building. And when did he ask that? He asked that on the 24th of January. So he asked him on 24th of January. Great. So question number 3. What has the contractor done? I'm pleased to inform you that the work was completed last month and our report is attached. So he has completed the work and he has written a report on it. Great. And question number 4. Where is the contractor's report? Our report is attached. So therefore, it is attached with the letter. Moving on to the next question. What did the contractor ask the client to do? Please let me know if you need clarification of any of the points in the report. So he has asked him to let him know if he needs any clarification of any of the points in the report. Great. So question number 6. Which words introduce good news? Great. So good news. What is the good news? The good news is that the work was completed. So, which words did he use to introduce this good news? He used "I am pleased to inform you." So, moving on to the next task. Task 6. Read the contractor's report. Write a number from the diagram in 2 next to each job report. Now, this is the diagram in 2. You can see that there is a letter, the letters here, K, M, N, A, for each idea. So, your task is to write letters in these spaces here. For each idea in the report. Now, pause the video, read through the report, then write the letters. Great. Let's check the answers. Number 1, we have K. Now, moving on to task 7. Underline examples of the passive in the summary report in 6. This one. Pause the video again and underline examples of the passive in the summary. Now let's check the answers. Great. Moving on. We have seen the simple passive in the previous slide. Now, read the language box below and complete the rule for the past simple passive. This is the box and you need to complete this rule. Now, the building work was completed last month. Was here and past participle. 3 walkways were built between the towers. So we have were and then the past participle. So now the rule is subject plus was or were. If the subject is singular, we use was, and we use were if the subject is plural, and plus the past participle. Great. Now let's round up the lesson with a short exercise. Complete the sentences, these ones, with the past simple passive of the verbs in the brackets. Watch, cut, ask, and reopen. Remember, the rule for the past simple passive is great. Now, pause the video and give it a try. Let's check the answers. Great. This is the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.